that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see,
Hello, good night.
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
You want to talk to who?
Yo, sorry, me G, like I the wrong number this.
Yo, people, let's have a conversation. Let's have a conversation about the most talked about song and video in the dancehall airspace right now. And rightfully so, cause it divide the fans them and force them to have an opinion and pick a side. Me nah lie, yo, Govana. You win with that one, brother. Me nah lie, you see me? You see me, you accomplish a mission here, they set out to accomplish. You see me? Big up Govana on a job. Well done. Now people, me tell you this straight. Alright, so enough people go either agree with what me have to say or then go vex and disagree. But we can debate about that in the comment section, you see me? Me personally, I rate the approach of Governor take on the song. You see me I say? Yo, me I raised with my brethren them earlier, saying and one of them make a valid point when he point out say, yo dog, you know so Governor just show you say you can't go around the bun thing, brother. I just how you choose to deal with it, dog. Brother, but it have to agree with the man said that. And people, correct me if I'm wrong, you know. You see me I say? You have some people what the bash man not talk about. Or if you put out this when you see me with everything what they go on right now in the society with the woman, the man, this and that. Like saying I go both ways. The man even go as far as to promote stopping violence against women in the videos. Like when they say that I don't. People, the man say I saw this thing set, dog. Bunna go always there. Woman go always Bunna. Man say look how much money you go invest. And another man I take off the pink dress, dog. People. Like one I kind of naive to you think so. But the man basically says, dog, me not try to take your woman. Me not try to mash up your life. All him I do, I take a one touch. Which people, me not say right by any means necessary, you know. But as me say, this thing go both ways. We are big people, you know. You can't neglect the fact say, yo, Keisha get the man of her own free will, you know. The man never drape up Keisha and put her up on gunpoint, you know. Thinking about it, he probably always, you see me pull back your man and knock you with a different point. But for a joke aside, for a real do, Keisha know what she did that do. And if I pay attention to it, you know, really, they all boil along to the chorus I sang, you know, people.
Things set dog, if a soft girl treat you like insect dog. And every girl catch me interest. And not just the bell can't get the ring set dog. Look how much money you go invest. And another man I take off the pink dress dog.
People go always get bun. You see me? It's like on now remember that. But that now go around in a man. When I say it's a must, you know. But it's sure. Just like our night and day sure people. It's inevitable. I just how you deal with it. You get me, sir? You have a one page go comment on the man song and say, yo, all them hope Governor have a daughter. You see me? And all them hope saying go get one. Hombre, you move like Keisha trip and drop it on Governor lap. And then you hold her there. Keisha never knows that she married, brother. Keisha never knows that she a bun. Better stop talk, yeah, man. Because Govy just deal with Keisha like you see me, you deal with some clothespin, you just squeeze the head and her legs, them just open. And them approach and just give her, man. You see me, I say. Yo, but big and serious now, like fun and joke aside, like people. It go both ways. It takes two consenting parties to cheat. You ever see matches like by itself? You have to rub it against something for you catch a fire. All the caveman did know say, yo, one rock can't spark. You have to rub it on the next one. It take two for burn people. Remember that. And furthermore, as twisted as it may seem, all Govy do is show Chris say, yo, Keisha I don't know wife, brother. You see me I say? Keisha I know wife material. So you need to take away yourself. Or you can deal with it like pants when on the pocket and just not carry no feelings, you see me I say? That's at the end of the day, you know, people. Govy a Chris artist, you know. And me know say if my artist slap out my woman in the morning, me not gonna stop listening to music, you know, brother. You see me? So the man's them. If you ever find yourself in a Chris position, you can either cut, you know, Or as a great man once said,
Chris, just listen me, brother. Me and you can go and fuck it together.
What?
You have to just. You know the general call me up.
So sorry.
But you know those video call me up, me see man on top nice.
You sure?
You have ambition, I read that. Just video call me man. Yo, go! Yo, you whatever. Yeah, the general!